In this part we learn about HLOOKUP. So I have certain data. This is the data I have prepared. In this we have some parts, 10 parts, and then we have month-wise sale I have noted here. So this is April, May, June. This is the sales of part. So we have this data. Now we are using HLOOKUP to identify sale of a particular part. So how we will use, let's say we want to part 2 sale of August month. So how we will use HLOOKUP? So we'll write here HLOOKUP, and this is highlighted. We will double click here, and then here this is asking HLOOKUP value. So I will take this August as a value, and then it is asking table array. Table array we will consider the whole part including the value we are looking. Like we are looking at April, May, June month value and whole data. So we will consider this whole array table. So this is table array. Now which row value we are required? Like we want part 2 value, so it is starting from this 1, 2 and 3. So this row is 3. Third row we have written this part 2 value, so we will write here 3. And then we want exact match, means we want the false. In string case, if the part is in string, so we will always use false. So I will write here false, and then close this bracket and then enter. So what it is giving? It is giving 2365. So see, so this is the same. This the highlighted part is same. This we have extracted here. In same case, like if we want the below value, like part third value, so we will write here 4. It is giving 1373 value written here. In this way we can use HLOOKUP. If we want to take some other month value, how we will do? We will just write here, like if we want July, so this is coming E, so I will write here E. So what it is giving? It is giving this part 3 value of July month. Now I will write here month like April, making this formula more generic. So instead of this writing this E1, I will select this April. So now what it will giving? It is giving value 1000 as it is coming for part 3. So in this way we can write. Now if we change here like May, so it is giving the value of May, and if we change July, so it is giving value of July related to part 3. So in this manner we can use HLOOKUP. In next part we will more generic this HLOOKUP formula, and we will use drop down list to identify the values for parts. So please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.